2 weeks after it shows you done. You're trying to get a document record, and you collected $2,000 off the show. Yes, screaming, yelling, not going all the way.
And all the time. It's like, and they sink me in because they start the conversation. Now that it's been wow.
Just get overnight pressure.
Yes. Every time. I'm like, oh, they got me. They got me.
Brought me back to the place.